Shall we start the session, please? So let's start the session, please. So if first part is last questions we have solved one, and then last questions 2 important questions were there. Okay. So in the last sections some questions were there. We are going to discuss that questions. First in application part, let's see. We'll start the questions first. Now in the radius sections, 2 questions were there. Let's solve the question, please.
Check this one out. I think this question we were doing or some other questions we were doing. Nice. These many files are there. No, I have to kuti files. Yeah, I have to do like that only. Otherwise, I will be lost in this files only. I will be lost. About others, I don't know. I'll be lost in files only. Now, come on, solve this question, please. Sand is pouring from a pipe at a rate of. Come on, do this question. Question number 12. This question, I think last class itself we have solved. We'll go for this question. Is it visible, boss? See. Yeah, this is a good question. Come on, solve this question. So these are some technical questions. More than this question from rate measures, they will not ask. We are not going to expect some very tough questions. If case study is coming, Miss Govinda, Govinda, that time I can't do anything. Question or writing? Oh, my writing. Okay. I'll write little bigger I'll write. Okay. I'll write big so that you'll be able to read out. Now look here, beta. Let's start the class, please. Now look here, ladder is there. In what they're telling, a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. So one by one, we'll just try to cross it out and solve. Ladder is exactly how much, beta? What is the length of the ladder given? Ladder given is a ladder of 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. So this is exactly the wall, and the ladder is leading. Sanjana, good evening, beta. It is exactly, Sanjana, the paper was very bad, yaar. 5 meter long. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. Now the ladder is exactly pulled along the ground like this. Okay, so away from the wall at a rate of 2 centimeter per second. So first, if this distance is coming as x, so dx by dt will become 2 centimeter. Understood? So at a rate of 2 centimeter per second, how fast is its height on the wall decreases, okay, is pulled away from the ground at a rate of this much, how fast its height on the wall decreases when the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeters. So this is x and this is y. Okay. Now dy by dt means it is exactly coming as dy by dt, because they are telling that the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at a rate of this. So this is exactly 2 centimeter per second it is there. Now they are asking that at what rate the height is decreasing. So we have to find decrease in x. What we have to find? Decrease in x. Shivaranjani, please start solving the questions, beta. Decrease in x we have to find. Decrease in x we have to find, and now beta decrease in x what will be there? Now hypotenuse part will be there, a, b and c. So in a right angled triangle, right angled at, what is exactly right angled at where beta? Right angled at b, now hypotenuse square, that is AC square will be equal to, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is 5, 5 square is equal to x square plus y square. Differentiating with respect to t. Understood not? Time or x, differentiating with respect to t. So here it will become 0 is equal to 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt. Now beta this one will shift that side. It will become minus 2y dy by dt equal to 2x dx by dt. So this and this will get cancelled. I hope you might have understood this one. So once you have solved this one, now beta what they told, dy by dt is 2. So here it will become minus, and they told that a ladder is 5 meter long, is leaning against a wall. After that what they are telling, the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground at a rate of this. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is, so y value is given as 4. So 4 into 2 is equal to x dx by dt. Understood? So here it is coming as beta minus 8 by x is equal to dx by dt. But here how we are going to get x? Because we know this equation. Got it? We know this equation number 1. So substituting, and this part will become equation number 2. So first we will write substituting the value of what? Substituting the value of, check this one out. So if we are going to use this foot part is exactly coming as how much beta? 4. So 5 4, then that part it will become as 3. Understood? So now look here, when y will be equal to 4, then this section will be coming as how much beta? 25 minus 16 root under is equal to x. So x part is coming as 3. Understood? So substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1. So what it will coming? Minus 8 by 3 equal to dx by dt. So rate of decrease of height. Rate of decrease of height is, rate of decrease of height is minus 8 by 3. Understood? Minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. This is called as rate of decrease of height. Understood? Is it done, beta? We'll go for the next question. Shall we go for the next question, please? Children, kindly start doing the next question. We'll do the next question, please. See, this is one question. Like these questions are there, and they will be asking questions like this. Sometimes they will ask very unwanted questions that you have to handle. Okay. But mostly rate assessments, this type of questions we are expecting. Now we'll go for the next question. A man, 1.6 meter tall. Just solve this question. Come on, go for it. Let's one time now. You try to solve one question. One time you try to solve one question on your own. Then you will be getting some idea how to solve the questions. If one time you'll try to solve a question on your own, means little bit idea you will generate. Like okay, fine, I can solve the questions like this. So at least try once. See, all questions we cannot solve, but some questions at least we can solve. Try this question. I'm moving from here. See, this question is a very important question, and you must have a proper assess for solving this question. Like, what to say? Wait, I'll solve and show you. Can I solve? Today, where are all the monkeys here? Sivaranjani, Sanjana, did you solve this question, beta? Solve it. Very good. Try at least one time. Can I solve? I gave enough time here. Come. Solve and show. Now look at a man 1.6 meter tall. We will solve the question. A man 1.6 meter tall. So 1.6 meter is the length of the man. So 1.6 meter tall. A man 1.6 meter tall walks at a rate of 0.5 meter per second away from a lamp post. So this is a lamp post. Okay. Now this lamp post is A, B and C. This is 1.6 meter height. 1.6 meter. Done. After that, what they are telling, beta? So the rate of its shift is, so dx by dt is equal to 0.6, sorry, 0.5 meter per second. Done. Done. Away from which its shadow is increasing at a rate of, so we have to find dy by dt from the pole. So how much it is going away, the shadow is exactly increasing. So first work is a b, and this is height given, and this will become p and q. So in this type questions, now first what you have to do is you have to solve the questions with much perfection. So first work is, what you are needing here is, what you are needing here is कि you will be needing here that कि this part is exactly what, this is a triangle, so similar triangle, so here angle C will become common. Understood? So write in triangle ABC and triangle PQC. Now angle ABC equal to angle PQC equal to 90 degree. Correct? Now here angle ACB is equal to angle PCQ is common. From angle criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQC by angle criteria. So by angle criteria, if they both are similar, then sides will become proportional. So when sides you are taking proportionality, what it will become? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QC. Understood? And then it will become AC by PC. But we can take any two. Understood? So AB by PQ. AB is the lamp post. We don't know the length of the lamp post. So please kindly check this one out. They're telling that a man this point top walk at a rate of this away from a lamp post 8 meter high. So lamp post height is 8 meter. So this AP will become what? Now is it okay? I'm writing everything. I'm not leaving anything. So lamp post is AB. AB is coming as 8. What is PQ? PQ is 1.6 is equal to what is BC? BC will become x plus y, and what is QC? QC is exactly y. Understood? So this one will cancel, it will become 10. So here it will become 4, 4s are 16, 20, 4 5s are. So 5 is equal to x plus y by y. So 5y is equal to x plus y. So 4y is equal to x. Come on, note down. 4y is equal to x coming. Now differentiate, because they told dy by dt you have to find now. So now we can differentiate 4 dy by dt is equal to dx by dt. Now they are telling that the rate dx by dt is 0.5. So dy by dt say increases 0.5 by 4. So this will cancel, 10 will come. So dy by dt is equal to 1 by 8. dy by dt is coming as how much, beta? 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 0.625. So 1 by 8 is 0.625 centimeter per second. This is increase 0.625 centimeter per second. So this is a way to solve the question. I hope you might have understood. Come on, go for it. Solve and tell me. So I have written everything. Okay, this is an important question. I have explained everything. Good evening, Mateshwar. You people are very, very big people. What is the examination date? Maths time. Maths time schedule. When is the maths time schedule? I started revising rate measures. Now MCQ questions also rate measures over. MCQ, linear programming. Yes. I'll sit one day with all of you and teach linear programming. Right now, I'm making all the notes for like you people, final time revision notes I'm making for all of you. Is this done, beta? Hmm? So now, Matisha will go for next question. Come on, try to solve this question. This is one of the most important question. Come on, go for it. If you will solve this question, means story over. This is one case study related question. Is there 9/1/2026? 9/1/2026 is final pre-board examination. Pre-board 2. We have time. Don't sleep. Let's finish the entire work. Okay. So now look here. Try this question out. Yes, I'm going to give you final revisions. Please kindly be regular and don't irritate me in between. Just first one by one chapter. Before that itself, second pre-board, our full revision session we will finish. Okay. Yes, a water tank has a shape of an inverted right circular cone. So shape of an inverted right circular cone. So this is a water tank. It is in the shape of inverted right circular cone beta. Done. Now after that what they are telling that in this water tank, huh? Right circular cone it is. After that, what they are telling, inverted right circular cone, its axis vertical and outer. Its semi-vertical angle is this much. Sine inverse this. Water is poured into it at a constant rate of 5 cubic meter per minute. So 5 cubic meter per minute. So volume of water. So volume dV by dt, filling of water is given as 5 cubic meter per minute. Volume is given. This is volume. Find the rate at which the level of water is the height. That means you have to find dH by dt is equal to what at which the level of water is rising at a constant when the depth of the water in the tank is 10. So that means the place when the height is exactly coming as 10 meter. Till here it is exactly given to you. Please kindly solve a shape of an inverted right circular cone with its axis vertical and vertex most. This is exactly given. Now one more extra point what you have got is they gave that tan square 0.5 is equal to, we will take theta. So beta this angle theta is given and you know now if this one will become 90 degree, if this one will become 90 degree, this will become height r and this will become height h. Understood? So we will do tan theta is equal to 0.5. So tan theta is equal to, this decimal will cut, it will become 5 by 10. That is 1 by 2. Understood? So tan theta is equal to coming as 1 by 2. So when I am taking this tan theta, this one will become what? Radius and this one will become height. Understood or not? So when we are taking this triangle and we are writing this part as O AB, that time OAB, this part is coming as theta. So this tan theta and this is exactly 90 degree. This is perpendicular and this is coming as perpendicular and base. So understood. So we'll write tan theta is equal to, we already know that tan theta is equal to, perpendicular part is AB by AO. Got it? And tan theta value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to, what is AB? AB is radius and AO is height, H. Understood? So here H is equal to 2 times of radius. So we can say that because we have to find height now, so we have to remove radius. So H by 2 is equal to R, we will take it as equation 1. Got it? H by 2 is equal to R, we will take it as equation 1. Got it? So now beta, after this what we will do is, we will be writing volume. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi, radius is coming as h by 2 whole square into h. So V is equal to 1 by 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12 pi into h cube. Correct? So we will differentiate it. dV by dt is equal to pi by 12 into 3h square dh by dt. So this will cancel beta. So this part will come. dV by dt value given as 5. So 5 is equal to, here it is coming as pi by 4, and then what time they have given the height? The height at that moment is coming as 10. So here dV by dt at height is equal to 10 is equal to pi by 4 into 10 square dH by dt, and dV by dt at that moment rate is given as 5. Understood? So 5 is equal to pi by 4 into 100 dH by dt. So 4 will go there, it will become 20 by 100 pi is equal to dH by dt. This cancel. So 1 by 5 pi is equal to dH by dt. 1 by 5 pi is equal to dH by dt, and this, that means what is the given? Meter per minute. What is the answer given here? Is meter per minute. So dH by dt, final answer is dH, rate of change of height, is coming as 1 by 5 pi meter per minute. 1 by 5 pi meter per minute. I am fine. Meter per minute. I hope you might have understood this one. Did you got this? I can't zoom the screen. You need to zoom the mobile, because screen, if I'm zooming, miss little bit I'll do here and there, miss it will cut better. This is that, not that screen. That is the problem only. Mobile, you put stagnant and you just zoom it, you will be getting the content. I'll try to write little bit big, but these questions need more space to solve. Corner part, okay, I'll solve the corner part here again. See, this section, corner section, did you understood or not? So can I write it little bigger? So here beta, it is coming as, wait, I'll write it here. Now look here, I'll write it little bit bigger. So dV by dt at h is equal to 10 will be equal to, here 4 pi is there and pi by 4. Here it is 10 square pi by 4 dH by dt. So this part value will become 5. So 5 is equal to 100 pi by 4 dH by dt. So this will go 20 by 100 pi is equal to dH by dt. So it is coming as dh by dt is equal to 1 by 5 pi meter per minute. So height increment is 1 by 5 pi. I hope you might have understood this one. I hope you might have understood. So now beta, this is exactly one pattern questions were there. Now still we have more questions. Now look at next question. What we are going to do is the rate of change of area of a circle. So like these MCQ questions, fast. This PDF will be provided to you in your group. Okay. So now this PDF I'm going to provide you as the video is there in the group. Rate measures. These are practice questions. These are practice questions, and these solutions will be available to you. Now we will be doing differentiation. Now listen. Most of the time now you people are having problem in differentiation. So differentiation, some techniques are there. First work is revise all the formulas. Okay. Now differentiation, where and all problems are coming. Differentiation problem is coming when you are doing chain rule questions. Correct na? So differentiation, at least differentiation you people will be able to solve also. But the more problem you people are facing is integration. Correct na? So first differentiation, some typical questions of differentiation today I am going to teach where you people are having problems, because one by one, content by content, section by section we need to solve. So now here one question I am giving you. This question is a 5-mark question. Yet we need to solve this question. So one by one I will solve those questions. 5-mark question is given to you. Let's see how you are going to assess these questions. Question is, first question I am giving you, cot inverse everyone try this question out. Cot inverse root under, this question already I have given, 1 plus sine x plus 1 minus sine x by 1 plus sine x minus 1 minus sine x. What can be the answer for this question? This is without differentiation. Come on, go for it. This is a 5-mark question and the limits are coming between 0 to pi. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, go for it. So already I have taught this question, how to differentiate it. This will be equal to y. So when you are solving this question, please be very, very precautious. So here it will come as cot inverse. Now here this will become sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 root under, this is only one big step you have to take, plus 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2, and here it will become plus sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Done. Denominator part will come as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus here sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So here it will become cot inverse. It is coming as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. So root will cancel. Plus here it is coming as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So root and square will get cancelled. Here it is coming as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So here it is coming as inverse. This sign will be coming as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Done. So once you have finished till here, now look here. What you are going to get is y is equal to cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 by 2 sin x by 2. Cancel. So it will become y is equal to cot inverse cot x by 2. Now x by 2 cot inverse will get cancelled. Y is equal to x by 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. So here it will become dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. I hope you might have understood here. Here no big deals. You can solve the questions as much as possible. Now we'll go for the next question, please. Try next question. Now look at it. This is one 5-mark question which we are expecting. Now another 5-mark questions. Most of the 5-mark questions from differentiation we are going to do first. Okay. The next 5-mark question is you need to solve this question. Question is secant inverse. Go for it. Secant inverse 1 by 4x cube minus 3x. Come on, go for it. 5-mark question. Try and solve the questions, please. Shall we solve this question, please? Try this question. Any idea, madam? Keeping your hand on your head and solving like this. What is that? Can we solve like this? Huh? Why can't we solve like this? Or can we solve like this? Or can we take x is equal to cos? Yeah, cos 3 theta. See, the most simplest way is when we are making the things possible for us. So y is equal to, see, nothing is impossible, yeah. Everything is possible if we will make it possible. So now let x is equal to cos theta. Hmm? Now it will become y is equal to secant inverse 1 by 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is 1 by cos 3 theta. Done. So 1 by cos 3 theta coming means it will go up, it will become secant. So y is equal to secant inverse secant 3 theta. So now it is coming as y is equal to 3 theta. So now you have taken x is equal to cos theta. So what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to cos inverse x. So y is equal to 3 cos inverse x. Got it? Because we know that 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is cos 3 theta. Differentiating with respect to x, it is coming as dy by dx is equal to 3 into minus 1 by root under 1 minus x square. So minus 3 by root under 1 minus x square dy by dx. Story over. Like this we can solve. Yes, Peter, absolute, correct only. Shall we solve the next question, please? So this was a 5-mark question. Nothing is there in that question, yeah. How they are giving these questions as 5-mark questions, we don't know. We'll be able to solve this type questions means it is there. 1 by cos x, finally beta. That's not a very big deal. No, but they can give you this type of questions, which is definitely a typical question, which I am giving you. They are telling differentiating. Now look here, differentiating. This is possible. They can ask this type questions. Differentiating. What you need to differentiate is, look here, differentiating tan inverse root under 1 plus x square minus 1 by x with respect to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. This is a very good question And here they are telling that where x is not equal to 0. This is definitely a good question to solve it. And this is 5-mark question they are telling. Let's see. Can I solve? First work is we will take this as, because they told differentiating this with respect to this. So down this will come. First we will take let x equal to tan theta. Okay. First to one kuti work. U is equal to tan inverse and V is equal to sine inverse. So what you need is you need to find du by dv. This actually you have to find, correct? You have to find du by dv. So how to get du by dv beta? First work is what we are going to write. We will write let this we are going to take it as 1 and this we are going to take 2. Let x is equal to tan theta. Understood? X is equal to tan theta. Then u is equal to tan inverse root under 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta coming. Correct? Now here secant square theta means secant minus 1 will come. So u value will be coming as, and v will be equal to, v is equal to 2 tan theta secant inverse, sine inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Done. So now beta this part will become what? U solving this part we are going to take it as equation 3 and this part will become equation 4. So solving 3. So now when you are solving, it will become du by d theta equal to, here it will come first with, before solving, let's first solve this one. U is equal to tan inverse, this part will become secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Done. Secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. So once you have written till here, I'm just minimizing, taking it a little bit up. So now here it will become what beta? So secant theta minus 1 is there now. So it will, what it will become? It will become u is equal to tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1 by this by cos theta. Done. So it will become 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. Correct? So we can write like this now. U is equal to what will come beta? It will come as u is equal to tan inverse. Now you check this one out. 1 minus cos theta by sine theta by cos theta. So cos theta will get cancelled. 1 minus cos theta will become how much beta? Check. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So it will become cos theta will be equal to 1 minus cos theta is, it will become 2 sine square theta by 2 and here sine theta will become 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So this and this will get cancelled. U is equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2. So this will become u is equal to theta by 2. What is theta beta? Theta we have taken as, so theta is equal to tan inverse x. So u is equal to tan inverse x by 2. Done? Now we will differentiate with respect to x. It will become du by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root under 1 plus x square. Take this is 1, 2, 3, 4, equation 5. Simply we have solved. Simply without any complications we have solved the question. Now beta v will be equal to what? Sine inverse, directly it will become sine 2 theta. So this part will become v is equal to 2 theta. So v is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So when you will differentiate v is equal to 2 tan inverse x, what value will be coming beta? V is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So it will come as dv by dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. So this will become equation 6. So dividing equation, because du by dx dv they told na, dividing equation 5 by 6. So beta once they are dividing equation 5 by 6, what it will become? Du by dx by dv by dx equal to this part first you write, sorry, this part first you write 1 by 2, 1 plus x square, I'll write properly, 1 by 2 1 plus x square by 2 by 1 plus x square. First, so this and this will get cancelled. Du by dv is equal to 1 by 2 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square by 2. Ulta. So this and this will get cancelled. Answer will come 1 by 4. Hoppa. So like this questions means like this technique questions we are solving. I hope you might have understood this one. Like these questions we are going to solve and we are going to get the answers. I hope you might have understood this one better. So this is a way to solve the questions. So just one or two, the next I will be solving application part. Okay. So maybe one day I will teach, because see rate measures questions are there now. So rate measures material I'm going to send in the group. 2 materials plus your video. Rate measures 3 videos. Linear programming also I'm going to send, just 1 minute. This is rate measures full material I'm sending. Okay. So once rate measure part is done means one by one you do. Get ready for it. Okay. We are going to keep it till here, beta. Okay. That's it for today. Solve beta, solve. Note down.